Arlo Ultra delivers ultimate peace of mind and is loaded with features including 4K video, color night vision, an integrated spotlight, panoramic view, noise-canceling audio, and more. Arlo comes in a variety of kit options. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Arlo Ultra Plus Series 4-pack camera kit. The kit includes 4 Arlo Ultra 4K wire-free cameras, the most advanced camera we've ever created. The cameras have a magnetic charging cable. The cable also wraps around the back of the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. Arlo Ultra's improved design lets you replace batteries from the front, so you won't need to move the position of your camera once installed. Just place them in the camera with the logo facing up and they'll last for months on a single charge. Arlo Ultra's modular design prevents accidental dropping of the camera with its built-in catch that catches the camera as it slides out from the base. There are 4 camera mounts included, 2 magnetic and 2 screw mounts to give you a wider panoramic view and even greater flexibility in positioning your cameras. The kit also includes all the mounting hardware you'll need to easily install the cameras on any surface at your home or business and be up and running in just minutes. Finally, the Quick Start Guide and the Arlo app will walk you through connecting your Arlo Ultra cameras to the Smart Hub. There are also a number of accessory options available with Arlo Ultra, including a solar panel, a dual battery charger that charges batteries 15% faster, indoor and outdoor magnetic charging cables, and additional batteries and magnetic wall mounts so you can expand and upgrade your security system. Enjoy greater safety, security, and peace of mind with Arlo Ultra.
Ring makes simple ways to protect and watch over your home, because safer homes mean safer neighborhoods. Introducing Stick-Up Cam by Ring, a next-generation indoor-outdoor security camera that keeps you connected to your home and family.
Hey, Dad. Hey, honey. Remember, Eli's recital's at 7.
I'll be there.
Motion-activated notifications alert you to the things you need to know.
Can I help you?
Stick-Up Cam keeps an eye on things when you're not there and gives you peace of mind when you are. Combine Stick-Up Cam with your other Ring cameras to create a complete ring of security around your home. Stick-Up Cam works seamlessly with your Amazon Echo devices,
Alexa, show me the pool.
so you can be doing anything while still keeping an eye on everything. Stick-Up Cam is available in wired, power over Ethernet, solar, and battery options, making it easy to install in any home. So get smart about your home security with the easy-to-use, anywhere, anytime Stick-Up Cam.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
What your pets are up to, what mischief your kids are getting into, and if your package arrived safely while you were away? Set up FOSCAM cameras in seconds, and you can easily know what's going on inside and outside the home or office. Keep an eye on your little ones playing outside in high-definition video. FOSCAM's customizable motion and sound alerts will notify you via your mobile phone, keeping you informed of only the important things. Know your home life no matter where you are. FOSCAM's cameras are resilient against the toughest weather and opponents. We all have those unexpected moments. With FOSCAM's cloud playback timeline, easily go back and discover what happened when you're away, even if it's hidden in the past. With the push of a button, you can zoom in on a friend or move the camera around to see what funny business they're up to. With FozCam's two-way audio, you can talk back and forth no matter where you are.
Your silly puppy, what are you up to?
You can easily share those special moments through the app for the world to see. We all like to take a moment to get away with the ones we love, but sometimes unfortunate things happen in our lives that we need to know about and be alerted to, no matter where we are. With FozCam's easy-to-use cloud, you always have access to past recordings for those moments you need to retrieve, keeping your home and family safe. FozCam has provided over 5 million homes with affordable, reliable solutions to home security for over 10 years, helping people feel safe and connected to the things that matter most.